I have one more question from TikTok.
All right.
I got one more. And
Give it to me.
This comes from Patrick O'Toole. And what is the best whiskey that you have in the office?
In the office or in the studio?
Both. Okay.
That's a very subjective
Max, stay
opinion.
in for this one.
That's
Because
subjective.
my opinion has kind of evolved on this over time.
If I remembered the names of anything.
Right? Right?
We've tried a lot of whiskey.
I know. That's what I'm trying to remember names of
Gosh,
stuff.
we have.
Yeah.
It's like, I'm trying to think of any of the ones my favorites are on the shelf still.
I'm going to be just whatever's in my glass because I don't remember names.
What's the one that was in your office that we tried?
That was the Tennessee, the Chattanooga.
Yeah, Chattanooga
the,
Choo Choo.
Yeah, that one.
Yeah, Chattanooga Whiskey Company something.
That's your favorite?
No, that was his.
Yeah, I like that one.
He liked that one. Like,
Okay.
here's a perk of working here. When we have a lot of extra scotch or whiskey, you get to have some, and or take it home. So Mac, I know, loved the Chattanooga Choo Choo, whatever the heck it was.
I don't
Whiskey.
know. That's what we've been calling it. But
Yep, I know.
Chattanooga
I can't
something.
remember. Yes, so we gave that one to him. Yours.
Pardon me, Mac.
You like
Is that the Chattanooga whiskey?
8
You're supposed to say yes, yes.
Yeah. Sorry, I
Proof
was already
29.
listening. Next
Pennsylvania
thing was coming
65000?
in. Yeah.
Chattanooga Choo Choo.
I know. It's another song, but it's the same
Do you
argument.
even know antiquated jazz?
Do you even swing, bro?
Phrasing.
I know you do.
Not that way. Hold on. Honey, I swear. So, you cut the feed.
Well, you know I'm a Macallan fan.
Yes.
And I like the Dalmore.
Dalmore's good. The Dalmore's a good one.
We have
Yep.
not actually done the Dalmore on the show yet.
Yes, we did.
When?
We did it a long time ago.
Oh, must have been a long time
Absolutely did the Dalmore.
ago. Yes, we did.
Absolutely.
Yes, we did, Eric.
That's why I have a bottle in my office, because I loved it.
Then why'd you try to drink it like a bitch? Yeah, well, I was looking at, because there's another one right there that we'll hopefully get to soon. There's a Dalmore right up there.
Oh,
I'm looking forward to.
Dude, who was that from Australia? I forget the dude's
just
name.
lost his name.
Joyce? No. Anyway, there's a dude from Australia. If you're watching, sorry, I forget your name.
I'll think of it in 10 minutes.
I know.
later.
I'm going to go look at the bottle list to figure out his name. Ian, quick type in the comments. He's not watching. But he bought us Oban cigar, which I had to try it. It was, oh, good God. That was a good one. And there's another one over there. Oh, there's too many.
Now what's funny? Okay, do your favorite, and then I'll follow up with a different question. But go ahead.
My most surprising, not favorite, but good one, which led to one of my favorites, current favorites. I'll say it that way.
That's a good way to put it.
Yes, was a viewer got us Shield Egg, and I'm like, okay, well, let's try it. All right, fine, I might not like this, but we tried it on the show, and I was like, damn, this is really good.
Yeah, it was good.
So then I went out and I'm like, okay, what does Shield Egg make aside from, I think it was the 10 he got us, and they had an 18, and I bought the 18, and I'm like, this is actually really good. It's smooth. I think it's a Highland, but it's a Space Side, but it was really, really good. So Shield Egg 18 is probably one of my current favorites.
Cool.
David Kemp.
David Kemp, thank you.
Ian is watching.
Yes. Oh, David, thank you again.
David,
thank
you're
you.
awesome.
We're
Thank
gonna
you
try
so
yours.
much.
The Oban's pretty damn good. I can't spoiler alert when we're gonna do it on the show eventually, but
All right.
If it lasts.
You want the follow-up question?
go ahead.
And you guys out there are already thinking this. And we may all be in agreement on this too. We'll see. What is the worst whiskey we've ever tried?
I'm going Smokehead.
I might be with you on that. Yeah.
That's 3.
Yeah. It's
I knew it was
over
going to be. I knew it was
It's
going to be
over the
Smokehead.
rainbow. This is smoking. Max over there coughing. Yeah, Smokehead just too much.
It blows the scale. We should go crack the bottle open now. It's been a couple years.
No, we gave it to Ian.
You gave it to Ian?
Oh yeah. I
I
don't want that shit.
I want to know if it changed. I want to know if it.
No, it won't change in the bottle. Once it's bottled, it's done.
Well, just maybe leave. What was it? Somebody put the one time, open the bottle, let it breathe until it evaporates.
Pretty much. Now there's Smokehead was.
That was
That's
horrible.
a lot of smoke.
It was a gimmick whiskey. basically.
The swing bottle is probably the neatest bottle because I
Yeah,
just sit there
swing
and
is
rock
neat.
it,
There was-
rock it back and forth.
And I didn't like the swing very much either. That's definitely
but
down
the
there.
bottle's awesome. You just rock
The
it
bottle
back and
is
forth.
funny. The gimmick is stupid.
Yeah, it was fine. It's fine, to quote Ian.
Meh.
There was
I didn't like
another. There was another one. The banjo one, I think, was pretty bad.
That was very bad.
Yeah,
That was
yeah.
very
There's
bad.
been a few that we didn't like. For those of you who are just watching this for the first time or just tuning in on the TikToks, we review whiskeys and we are very, very honest. We have people who give us presents and then we insult their gifts.
We're also not whiskey experts, you know.
No, but we are very, very honest in how we review stuff. So yeah, there was a dueling banjos thing.
Dueling banjos was bad.
Yeah, Smokehead we tried. That wasn't the gift. I bought that one. But it had a really, really cool tin, and then it just was horrible. So yeah, Smokehead's probably the least favorite. Indeed.
There you
Now
go.
that we've insulted everyone's
The
whiskey.
alpha and omega.
Indeed, quite. So we have some of our favorites that we've done on the show live. Let us know in the comments what is the best scotch that you have tried, and let us know what's the worst scotch that you've tried. If you want to see some other videos that we've done on scotch reviews and whiskey reviews, check out that playlist over there. And for other stuff that we've done, check out that playlist down there.
Just
Cheers.
watch them all.
Very
Cheers.
much.